Bitcoin is going to go to 60K, and I'm going to demonstrate to all of you guys why you should be ready for this possibility. Even though it's not very likely, you should be ready for a 60K Bitcoin price. At the bottom, we have 60K Bitcoin, which currently is something like 30% away, only 30% away from today's price. How likely is it to happen? Not very likely. Bitcoin is currently in this channel, and I think it's more likely that we still see Bitcoin trading here for the next few days. The worst case scenario for Bitcoin would be we would go straight down here, we would test 73K and then go back down to 60K. Now, I don't think it's going to happen like that. I think there's a high likelihood chance of us visiting 73K, because if we look at this chart here, this was the previous top at 73K. And so there's a ton of support there. It's very likely that Bitcoin can come and touch this, and this would be an obvious long. Then we have these liquidation levels here, 81K, then we also have 78K. But right now Bitcoin is in this channel. I think we can go here and touch something close to 90K, maybe a fake out. This is a major resistance zone at 96K. There's a ton of shorts here that get liquidated. I think $6 billion in shorts will get liquidated if Bitcoin comes here to 96K. This would be a perfect place to short. If it comes here, it will almost obviously then go back down and possibly even test 80K. This is the perfect place basically to short, and this is the perfect place to go long. But right now it's just doing nothing, it's just going sideways, and I think it will continue testing all of our patience. Why do I think Bitcoin can go to 60K? So this post explains it with amazing detail. So it's all about the production cost. Production costs are the ultimate and ever-rising hard floor for Bitcoin. And so look at this trend line. Since 2019, every single time we had a bottom was at production cost. I think this would be a worst case scenario. We have a ton of indications that it's not going to go that low, but you never know. That could be a black swan. Now, continuing on, we saw this small spike here in Bitcoin from 82K to 87K. I was predicting that in one of my previous videos. And you know what happened? Fartcoin outperformed the entire market. Look at this. It doesn't look like much of a move, but it outperformed every single other altcoin out there. And this is why you have to be ready, and you have to always be looking at these meme coins. This guy is the GCR, or one of the greatest traders for meme coins. He's the meme coin GCR, and he's officially up 7 figures on his Fartcoin long. So this is the type of amazing opportunities we have on these meme coins. By the way, if you want to trade meme coins and if you want to trade Bitcoin, there's a link for my Blowfin account. I'm going to be giving you guys in the future a lot of entries on these meme coins. Look at Fartcoin here. It went to 2 billion. This is the meme coin right now with the most mind share. And these are the types of meme coins you want to be trading, because you're trading always attention. In meme coins, the only thing you're actually trading is attention. And so this is an obvious bottom. This is the perfect place to accumulate. From the bottom, Fartcoin pumped 77%. Do you know of any altcoins out there that pumped 77% in the last few days? Nope. Only Fartcoin. This is why you can never think you're above or superior to meme coins, because this is where all the money is being made. Now, the next resistance lines are here between 900 million and 1.2 billion. And this would be from here, from around here, would be a move of something like almost 300%, 270%. So you could get a 3x on your money if you think Bitcoin in the near future is going to do something like this. Come here, test 96K, and then come back down. If this happens to Bitcoin, you can short Bitcoin here, and you'll also be able to come here and 3x your money on Fartcoin. Fartcoin will definitely 3x, or at least put a 250% on a Bitcoin move like that. And then what would happen is you would come back down and maybe do something like this and touch here. But this is a very choppy market. It's a very boring market. People are very cynical and they think there are no opportunities, but we just had a 77% here. So great opportunity for people who caught that bottom. It's going to be an even greater opportunity if Bitcoin moves and goes and squeezes all those shorts at 96K. Then we have 𝗘𝗫𝗥𝗧𝗏 here, and he's saying, I think the cynicism in this space is a derivative of the ETH BTC performance. And it's true. because most of the retail money is trapped on ETH and completely desperate. I'm going to be sharing a lot of meme coin charts here on the trading show. There's going to be a trading show, and there's also going to be a news show, or a show where I focus more on quantitative charts and what's happening on the news. It's going to be more data driven, and this is going to be more TA. It's going to be a bit more degen. I'm going to put more meme coins in here. I hope you like it. This is just the first video. Thank you very much. Stay tuned on CoinTalk. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, please. And also, if you want to trade, I have the Blowfin link down below. Thank you very much.